Hello and welcome to the Sweetest honey pot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lose stubborn belly fat with guava leaves in just 1 week. So please subscribe if you haven't. Without wasting more time, let's get straight into the video. So our ingredients are guava leaves, and I'm using the dried ones. I got them 2 days ago, but you can also use the fresh one if you like. It's all good. And we have lime, which you can also use lemon, and that's my lime juice. I've squeezed one, and that's it. And then next is water. So basically these are the things, the ingredients we'll be needing for our guava tea. Please don't forget to wash your hand with soap and the running water and the ingredients very well before you make any recipe. So I'll start by adding my guava leaf to a pot, and then add water to it, enough water to cover the leaves, and then we'll cover it and give it a gentle boil for 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes, check and make sure the leaves are not floating but well covered with water in the pot. And this is how it looks when it's ready. Color changes to brown. Nice color. Okay, so you can drink this on its own without the lime or lemon, and this improves skin texture, can lower oral, prostate and breast cancers, and also manage diabetes. It's good for the brain, promotes heart health and boost immunity. Okay, so it's time for me to add my lime to the guava leaf tea. I have squeezed 1 lime, and then I'll add to the tea, and we'll give it a gentle stir. Drink this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning and then last thing before bed. Please take note, it has few side effects. Might cause temporary nausea, stomach pain or constipation in some people. I had stomach pain few times. And to achieve maximum results in few days, you have to add 15 to 20 minutes workout daily. You can find on YouTube simple belly fat exercises that will help you burn fat easily and faster. I am a dancer, so I just danced off my fat and I was okay. I just got my body back.